So we're going to look at two questions. We're going to look at number 22 and number 23. Sorry, number 23 and number 24 on this page 288 or 390, whatever. The first question, 23, is kind of weird. It's saying, like, write an equation of a line in general form, so something like that, that you could not easily graph using intercepts. So let's move this for a sec. When I look at this equation, if I was going to solve it using intercepts, I would sub in 0 for x and then 0 for y. So when I subbed in 0 for x and y, I found the two y-intercepts. So if I was going to graph that, my x-intercept would be like negative a third there, and my y-intercept would be negative a third there, and I graph it like that. The reason this one's kind of hard to do, or like, the question asks for one that's like not easy to graph, I picked one that's going to give me like decimal values. The only problem with this is there isn't really like an easy method, because the y-intercept is such an ugly fraction. All the points, all the values you're going to find are going to be similarly ugly points and fractions as well, because of what the slope is. So this strategy is okay. The other strategy you might consider doing is what I did over here. Where I rearrange the equation into y equals mx plus b. Oh, lost a 3. Okay, so when it's in that form, I can figure out what the y-intercept is, which we already know, negative 1/3, and then use the slope to figure out what the other points are going to be. That would be like another strategy. It's not great. The equation I made is too terrible and has ugly points no matter what. The last strategy you can do is just a simple table of values, old school style. Sub in some values for x into the equation and find out what the y values are and plot the points on the line. But again, I'm going to tell you, based on this equation, these are all going to be ugly numbers. So the methods all work, but none of them are effectively perfect. For 24, the question's asking, you know what, we'll do that one in another video.